This is Cheryl.
It's Cyril, not she-real.
This is Cyril.
I have a question. Do you also feel being excluded in many things or scenarios as a woman?
Who is the woman who inspires you?
Someone who inspires me? I think that's my mother. Behind our strong and happy family, there is a person where her sacrifices and strength is immeasurable, and that person for me is my mother. I didn't choose her as someone who inspires me because she is a public figure or someone who will read in the book, but I chose her because I wanted to know and I wanted to share with you guys how her silence speaks louder. Her struggle speaks louder, not just as my mother, but as a woman who often gets discriminated because of gender discrimination.
Ako si Aurelia Chico, nanay ni Cyril May. Chico, ang role ko ay alagaan at gabayan ang pamilya ko. Para sa akin, pinakamahalagang trabaho ang pagiging ina. Kasi dito nakasalalay kung anong klaseng tao ang magiging mga anak ko at pag-aaral nila. Siyempre, kailangan kong ibigay ang pangangailangan nila. Isa sa pinakamalaking hamon ay yung pakiramdam ng kailangan kong dublihin ang effort ko para mapansin at respetuhin bilang babae. Madalas hindi agad nakikita ang halaga namin, kaya kailangan namin patunayan sa gawa at hindi lang sa salita. Madalas na kasi nakikita kaming mahina kasi na babae kami, pero gusto kong patunayan na hindi kami basta-basta babae lang. Oo, minsan hindi kami agad pinapakinggan o pinakahalagaan dahil babae lang daw kami. Sana dumating ang panahon na pantay na ang tingin sa babae at lalaki, na walang mas mataas o mas mababa. Sana mas maraming opportunities para sa mga kababaihan at mas maraming taong makikinig sa boses namin, kasi pare-pareho lang naman tayong tao, di ba? Pero bakit parang mababa ang tingin nila sa aming mga babae? Ang masasabi ko sa kabataan ay huwag sayangin ang mga pagkakataon. Mag-aral, magsikap, at matutong rumispeto sa lahat ng tao kahit ano o sino man sila. Gamitin nyo yung boses nyo bilang babae at tao para sa equality at pagbabago, dahil ang respeto doon talaga nagsisimula ang tunay na pagbabago.
When I asked her about her roles as a person, she said that the most important thing for her is her role as our mother. Reflecting on my mother's answer about the questions that I prepared, I felt shocked but not surprised of her answers. Of course, I've been exposed in studying about gender bias, gender discrimination. She thinks that it is her job to raise us well and to provide our needs, especially in study. When she mentioned that she has to double her efforts in order to be recognized, I feel the same, not just as a woman, but also as a student. As a woman, I believe that we also have capabilities in doing some things. We also have knowledge, ability to showcase ourselves. Like my mother said, we should use our voice to speak out, because how we could make a progress when we students don't have the courage to speak out about the gender bias and gender discrimination.